There we go.
What the?
What's up, my peoples? Welcome back to another video. Like it says in the title, this video is part 2 to my previous video. I'm in the process of converting a normal office PC to a gaming PC for my son. In the last video, we installed Fortnite in its original state just to see how it would run. If you go back and watch that, you will see that Fortnite installs, but it doesn't run so well. Actually, it runs horribly. So we went online and got some parts for the upgrade, and to be honest, it worked out pretty good. Stay tuned. Okay, so where are we? We have this Office PC that was released around the year 2013. Yeah, 7 years old. It has an i5 processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Installing Fortnite was straightforward, but it does not run so well. So we decided to upgrade it to its max capacity. We compared the current CPU with the latest Intel i5 processor, and to be honest, it was not so bad. We decided that the processor was fine to roll with, so that left leaves the RAM and the video card. After checking, we found that the system can handle up to 32 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, and we had a free video card slot, so we were good to go. We went online, purchased the following. I will leave links in the description below to all these items. What we did was, on Amazon, we went ahead and we got 4 crucial 8 gigabytes of RAM. These cost about $30 each. You can find them on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description to these items right here. So we're looking about $120 worth of RAM. This will take the system to its full capacity of RAM. All right, the next product that we have here is this GTX 1050 Ti card that we're going to add to the system. After upgrading all the RAM, of course, we're going to have to upgrade the graphics card so that the graphics will be nice. This card you can get on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below. It should be around $150 on Amazon. Alright guys, we got the machine powered down now. We're going to pop it open and let's get all the hardware in. Alright, so take off the case. Inside this specific case, you will find 4 slots. There are going to be 4 memory slots. You just have to push down the tabs on the sides. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take out the existing RAM and pop in the new RAM. Alright, there you go. So that is number 4. This is a very easy upgrade to do. Alright, so there you go. So that's 32 gigs of RAM installed. Now, next step is to install the graphics card. Here we're gonna take it out of the box.
Yep.
So, inside the box, of course, instructions. This is what we made for this PC. This is a low profile bracket. That's what we made. And the graphics card itself.
Some more instructions.
Yep.
Should we?
Oh, sorry. This wasn't instructions. This was thank you card.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's the instructions.
This is really big.
All right. So this is the graphics card here. Got 2 fans, and on the back we have DVI connector and 2 display port and HDMI. So you got HDMI display port and DVI connectors. This bracket is too tall, so you're gonna have to go ahead and replace the bracket with the shorter one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. Alright, Gabe, I did the hard part. Now you put the card in. We're good to go. So now RAM is installed, 32 gigs of RAM installed. We put that in already. And then we put in this new video card, and let's see how it goes. Let's start it up and see the difference in performance.
Yeah, let's see how it does in Fortnite.
All right. The total cost of the items were about $280 on Amazon, which is not bad for the gaming PC that we're about to get. Installing the video card and RAM was pretty straightforward. Inside the system is pretty cramped, but everything fits nicely. The system is a small form factor, and that's why we got the 1050 Ti video card. This card was the best low-profile video card that I could find. When doing an upgrade like this, you need to be aware of the limited space that you have to work with inside of the computer. For example, we made note that our system could only hold a low-profile card. A card with a normal bracket height would not fit. So pay attention to things like that. The other thing is the connectors on the video card. We were moving from a normal PC, so the video card on that machine is an onboard VGA connector. The 1050 Ti card has one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and one DVI connector. Fortunately, the monitor that was with the current PC has the ability to connect both VGA and DVI. So we didn't have to change the monitor, but we did have to get a DVI cable. Okay, after installing all the parts and connecting everything up, the first thing we noticed is that the boot process was still very slow. This is because we still have a 7-year-old hard drive inside the computer, and that hard drive is extremely slow right now, lots of wear and tear on that. This should not affect our gaming performance too much, but I will, however, be uploading a separate video showing you the easiest way to replace your hard drive without losing any data and without reinstalling anything. I'm probably not going to name it that, but you get the picture. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing and turn on notifications so you will be notified when I post that video. Now back to the gaming PC. Always check to see if what you install is actually recognized by the system. So go to Start, right click on this PC and hit Properties. In the window that opens, you will see the amount of RAM installed in the system is 32 gigabytes. 32 gigabytes never looks so good. So now let's check to see if the video card that we installed is recognized properly. We know it's working because we have the monitor connected to the new video card and there's video on the screen, but that doesn't mean the system is recognizing the new card properly. The way to check that is to click on Start, right click on this computer again and click Manage. In the window that opens, on the left, click Device Manager. On the right, if you expand Display Adapters, you will see the card is not installed correctly because there's a generic driver listed. But that's an easy fix. We have to go to the NVIDIA website and download and install the drivers for our card. After doing that, we go back and check to see if the display adapter is installed correctly. We will see that it is indeed installed correctly. Now let's get Gabe in front of the computer and see what he thinks about the upgrades.
Okay, please. The Fortnite take 1 minute to load up. So, yep. Okay, we'll see when it's finished loading. I think
It's running.
Yeah, I think it takes 1 minute. Galactus is coming, by the way, on December the 1st. Season 5 is going to release on December the 2nd. Okay, go. Checking for update. Oh no, it does take this long. Let's do it now.
Oh, logging in? Okay, good.
Checking, download. Yeah. Let's go. After this.
Creating party?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So the first test is for you to do an emote.
Then pickaxe, then a game.
And then a game, yeah, okay.
Look, the fruit is back. Wow, interesting.
All right, so hold on, wait. Before you do that,
Yeah.
go into settings. Go to settings here. Okay.
Thanks.
and then go to yeah, see quality. Set the quality to high.
Epic?
Yeah, go there. All right, that's fine.
And then apply. Okay.
There we go.
Whoa! What the?
All right, so now.
Hold on, let's check the evil. First, this. Yo, why does graphics look better than this one?
There we go.
Yo, this looks super high.
So you get no more blocking.
Let's see. Hold on. Where's the glitch one? I couldn't see this. Yo. Look better with cooling door. Guess this. Yes.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, let's check the. It don't look glitchy no more.
There you go.
And then let's check this pickaxe. This pickaxe. Looks sick.
All right, beautiful, right?
Wow,
So it's
really,
awesome now, right?
Really? Yeah.
All right, let's jump in the game and let's see how it plays.
I want to try the. Hold on, I want to try out this thing out. Feels so glitchy. Item shop. Ooh, good. Okay, reload into game. Oh, that's a bad question. Wow. Oh, I load it. Ooh, Galactus is rising. Everything looks better.
Everything look better?
Yes. Oh my god. Whoa. This game looks so good. Now I can. Ooh, that's the new graphics. This graphics look like a PS5 for me. Yo. That's cool. Okay, let's see how does it look when people play. Looks fine. Yay!
And when you jump out, it usually look glitchy too, right?
Yeah. Oh, now it looks super.
It's super good now, right?
Yep.
All right. The only other thing we have to do is we just have to upgrade the hard drive so you can get a faster computer, and then we get to go.
Deploy lava wing.
Oh, this is beautiful. This looks good. This looks really good.
Yes. Let me see the storm. Let me see the storm like having better graphics. Yes, now I can play better. And every time I get every time I go to like one fight, I don't have to glitch up.
All right.
So for $280, we got ourselves a solid gaming PC. Hopefully this video gave you guys some ideas on how you can save money by converting an office PC into a gaming PC for gamers that are just starting out. Thanks for watching. See you all soon.